Crawl spaces are easily forgotten about. You rarely venture below your flooring unless something's wrong. Stay tuned so I can tell you about 3 technologies you may need in your crawl space. Crawlspace technology has advanced over the years. Gone are the days we forget about your crawl space and leave them to just sit as is. I'm going to tell you about 3 advances that'll help your crawl space be more efficient and keep it in top shape. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So like I talked about, we talk about technologies that's advanced throughout your crawl space and the repairs for your crawl space, and spray foam being one of them. A lot of times homes that were built in the 60s, the 70s, or even before just have a fiberglass insulation, whether it's just between the joist boxes or up underneath the joists altogether. Now, this fiberglass insulation was the best option at the time, but now we're able to use closed cell spray foam in your crawl space that's going to seal up the wood and be much more efficient at keeping cold air out and warm air into your home, and keeping those floors at a good even temperature and helping your overall heating and air conditioning be much more efficient for your home. This is another thing that's a little bit newer to the market. Encapsulation or vapor barriers have been around the market for a long time, whether it's just on the floor or up the walls. What Radiant Armor is it's an addition to that vapor barrier or that encapsulation on the wall. They've taken that same really high caliber material with the backing and the strength of encapsulation to last a very long time and actually put insulation in the middle of it. This is going to do that extra step past spray foam to really be sure that your walls are staying insulated and really get into the max efficiency level of your crawl space. Dehumidifiers are massively important in your crawl space. Now, if your crawl space is flooding, dehumidifiers are not the answer. They are part of the answer, but you're going to need other components with water drainage and a sump pump to keep that dry. But if you're just dealing with moisture in the air in your crawl space, yes, it will be the answer. The good caliber dehumidifier that's made to be in your crawl space, made to be efficient, and is something that you can just kind of set it and forget it, and you don't have to be emptying a pan every day, is really, really important to keeping the structure of your home, your floor joists, your subfloor, in good condition and not allowing biological growth to grow on those structures as well. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about technologies that can be used in your crawl space? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.